Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to fix cannot unmaximize or minimize programs in Windows 10. Click Notification. Turn off tablet mode. Click Start, Settings. Click System. Click Tablet mode. Select Use Desktop mode under When I sign in. Select Do Not Ask Me and Do Not Switch. Close and exit settings. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.